Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. On the very first line, you will write question. Okay. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the words given in the bracket. And the first one is she dash the car. And in the bracket, the word given is wash. I need to tell you, children, we are doing present progressive tense. If you remember, okay, the word is given and we have to put ing and put is in front of the word to make it present progressive tense. I hope you all remember, we have done it before. Okay, so to make this present progressive tense, that is the correct form of the word, we are going to write here wash, and after the word we are adding ing, washing, and before the word we have to add is. Okay, remember children, after the word we will add ing, and before the word we will add one more word, that is is. She is washing the car. Let's see the second one. Okay, I will give you one more example. Second one. Two boys with a ball. In the bracket it is play, play. Okay. Now what are we going to do here to make it present progressive tense? First write the word play, play, and to make it present progressive, here you will add ing. Okay, and you were supposed to add is here. Okay, but what is written here? Two boys. So it is more than one. You remember? When we talk about more than one, we will write ARER. Okay, if wherever it is one, you will add only is. Because it is two here, so we have written are. Two boys are playing with a ball. Okay. Here she is written. So how many person is there? Only one. So ing, and before that you will add is. Let's see one more sentence. I give you one more sentence. That is the third one. Alex A-L-E-X. Alex is the name of a boy. Dash, full stop. In the bracket it is written walk. Okay. So the answer will be is walking. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Okay, we have added ing at the end of the word walk, and before that we have added is. Okay, let's go for one more sentence. Okay, fourth one. Sam dash a book. In the bracket it is written W-R-I-T-E. Or make it read. In the bracket it is written read. R-E-A-D, read. So the correct answer is, see children, first we will write read, R-E-A-D, read. And what we have to do? After that we have to add I-N-G. Okay, so read becomes reading. And before that we have to add one word, is. Okay. Sam is reading a book. Okay, remember we have to add ing at the end of the word to make the word present progressive, and before that we have to add one single word, that is is. Okay, because here one person is there. For one person we use is, and if it is more than one person we use ARER. Okay, here Sam, that is the name of a boy. Only one person is there. We will write is reading. Okay. Let's write the fifth one. Number 5. The lady with her cat. In the bracket it is written walk. Okay. The lady dash with her cat, and in the bracket is written WALK, walk. So the correct answer here will be, let's see how to write. Okay, what you have to do, first you write walk, WALK, walk. Okay, and what is the rule for making it present progressive tense? We have to add ing here, that is after the sentence, and before the sentence we will write one more word, that is is. The lady is walking with her cat. Okay, the lady is walking with her cat. Let's go through all the sentences once again. Okay, what was our question? Complete the sentences with the correct form of the words given in the bracket. One word is given at the end of the sentence and you have to write in the correct form. First one is she dash the car. In the bracket it is written wash. So what are you going to do? Add ing to the word, make it washing, and before that write is. Okay. Second one, two boys dash with a ball, and in the bracket it is written play. So play will become playing because we have to add ing, and before that we have written here are because it is more than one people. Okay. If it is one, then we will write is. If it is more than one, we will write ARER. Okay, remember this in mind. have a look at the third sentence. Alex dash walk. Now to make this present progressive tense, we will add ing to the word walk at the end of the word, and before we are going to write is because it is written Alex here. That is one person. Alex is the name of a boy. So it is one. Alex is walking. Okay. Come to the fourth one. Sam dash a book. In the bracket it is given read, R-E-A-D, read. So to make this present progressive tense, we are going to add ing to the word read, and before that we will write is because Sam is one person, one boy. So we will write Sam is reading a book. And the fifth one, the lady dash with her cat. In the bracket it is given walk. Now to make this word present progressive, we will add ing to walk, and before that we will write is for the lady. So how many ladies is there? Only one. So we will write here is. The lady is walking with her cat. So this was all for today, children. Thank you so much.